Air Force One, a symbol of American power and prestige, serves as the airborne White House for the US president. This iconic aircraft is much more than an airborne transport. It's a veritable fortress in the skies. Carrying the leader of the free world, Air Force One is equipped with the highest level of security, able to withstand a variety of threats. With its unique capabilities, it can also serve as a military command center, ensuring the president can lead, even while cruising at 35,000 feet. Over the decades, Air Force One has played a crucial role in history, transporting US presidents on countless diplomatic missions and even secret operations. Its distinctive livery is recognized worldwide, a testament to the strength and resilience of the nation it represents. Air Force One is more than just an aircraft. It is a symbol of the nation's might and the President's mobile command center. In 2018, Boeing won a hefty $3.9 billion contract to replace the aging VC-25A jets with new Boeing 747-8 airframes. This announcement was a beacon of change in the world of aviation, a much-needed overhaul for the presidential fleet. The current VC-25A jets have been serving with distinction, but time and technology wait for no one. The new model, the Boeing 747-8 airframe, was chosen for its advanced features, promising to bring the presidential transport service into the modern age. The initial target for service entry was set for 2024, a date that encapsulated the urgency of the task at hand. Older planes were deemed less efficient, and the need for modern features and enhanced security measures was growing more apparent. The new Air Force One, dubbed VC-25B, promised advanced features and capabilities aiming to elevate the presidential transport to new heights. However, the journey to the new Air Force One has not been without turbulence. The process of updating this iconic aircraft has encountered a series of challenges, causing delays and raising questions about the project's future. Supply chain issues have played a significant role in these setbacks. Like a well-oiled machine, each piece of this complex project must fit together seamlessly. But when one part is delayed, the entire project feels the repercussions. These supply chain disruptions have caused a ripple effect, slowing the project's momentum and pushing back the timeline. The manufacturing costs have also been a thorn in the side of this endeavor. The task of modifying the Boeing 747-8s for presidential use has proven to be more costly than initially projected. These escalating costs have put a strain on the budget, leading to financial losses for Boeing and contributing to the delays. Technical problems have further complicated matters. The task of equipping the aircraft with the necessary security and communication features is no small feat. These technical challenges have added another layer of complexity to the project, exacerbating the delays and increasing the costs. The combined impact of these issues has resulted in a projected delay of up to 4 years, with the potential for the timeline to be extended to 2029. This significant delay has not gone unnoticed. President Trump has expressed his dissatisfaction with the slow progress and has even hinted at exploring alternative options for the Air Force One replacement. But despite the turbulence, the commitment to delivering a state-of-the-art Air Force One remains unwavering. The goal is clear: to provide a presidential aircraft that is not only technologically advanced, but also a symbol of American prestige and power. The journey may be fraught with challenges, but the destination is undoubtedly worth the effort. Amidst the setbacks, a new player enters the scene: Elon Musk. Known for his knack of shaking up established industries, Musk brings a fresh perspective to the table. As the head of the Department of Government Efficiency, he's been tasked with identifying the bottlenecks slowing down the Air Force One replacement project. Musk's involvement is not just a token gesture. He's been actively collaborating with Boeing, working to streamline the development process. The aim? To cut through the red tape and get the VC-25B project back on track. Elon Musk is no stranger to aviation, with his SpaceX company revolutionizing the space industry. His experience and innovative thinking could be the missing piece in the puzzle. His role in this project could mean the difference between further delays and a timely completion. With Musk's involvement, there is a renewed hope of accelerating the project and overcoming the setbacks. As of now, the first delivery of the new Air Force One is estimated for 2027. With the VC-25B project well underway, the anticipation is palpable. The proposed timeline, however, has been stretched due to various challenges, including supply chain issues and labor shortages. Boeing, the project's primary contractor, has faced numerous hurdles since it won the nearly $4 billion contract back in 2018. The complexity and cost of modifying 747-8S for presidential use have led to significant financial charges for the company. The fixed-price contract, initially seen as a safeguard against budget overruns, has instead resulted in losses amounting to billions of dollars. The financial implications of these delays are profound, to say the least. Yet the future of Air Force One holds immense promise. The new aircraft is expected to serve as more than just a presidential transport. Like its predecessor, it will be a symbol of the United States' power and prestige, a flying White House equipped with executive suites, a medical annex, a conference room, and state-of-the-art communication facilities. It will also serve as a military command center, outfitted with classified capabilities for security reasons. The initial operational capability of the new Air Force One is anticipated by mid-2028, potentially extending to 2029. This marks a significant delay from the original timeline, but the wait is expected to be worth it. With the new Air Force One, the United States will have an aircraft that is not just technologically advanced, but also a symbol of national pride and power. Despite the hurdles, the vision of a new Air Force One endures, promising a new era in presidential aviation. To recap the journey of the new Air Force One, we've traveled from the initial announcement of its development through the turbulence of delays and setbacks that have beset this ambitious project. We've observed the impact of supply chain issues, escalating costs and technical problems, all contributing to a significant detour from the original timeline. We've also touched upon the unexpected involvement of Elon Musk, who has been brought on board to help streamline the process and navigate the project through its stormy skies. Presently, the new Air Force One, the VC-25B, finds itself in a holding pattern, with the initial delivery now estimated for 2027 and operational capability anticipated by mid-2028, or potentially even extending to 2029. This journey has not been without its challenges, but it serves as a stark reminder of the monumental task at hand. The Air Force One is more than just an aircraft. It's a symbol of power, a testament to technological prowess, and a beacon of prestige in the aviation world. As we await the arrival of the new Air Force One, we are reminded of the enduring symbol of power, prestige, and technological prowess it represents.